1. What is the name of the first computer virus? A. Creeper. B. Melissa. C. Stuxnet. D. I Live You. Answer. A. Creeper. 2. In which year did Mahatma Gandhi launch the Dandi March? A. 1920. B. 1930. C. 1940. D. 1942. Answer. B. 1930. 3. Which is the only river that flows through the Thar Desert? A. Narmada. B. Godavari. C. Luni. D. Yamuna. Answer. C. Luni. 4. Which metal is commonly extracted from bauxite ore? A. Iron. B. Aluminum. C. Copper. D. Zinc. Answer. B. Aluminum. 5. What is the name of the protein that carries oxygen in human blood? A. Hemoglobin. B. Albumin. C. Myoglobin. D. Fibrinogen. Answer. A. Hemoglobin. 6. Which Vedic text is considered the oldest in Indian history? A. Yajurveda. B. Samaveda. C. Rigveda. D. Atharvaveda. Answer. C. Rigveda. 7. Which Mughal emperor built the Buland Darwaza in Fatehpur Sikri? A. Akbar. B. Shah Jahan. C. Babur. D. Jahangir. Answer. A. Akbar. 8. Who was the first scientist to propose the heliocentric model of the solar system? A. Nicolaus Copernicus. B. Johannes Kepler. C. Galileo Galilei. D. Isaac Newton. Answer. A. Nicolaus Copernicus. 9. Which Indian classical dance form is associated with Andhra Pradesh? A. Kathakali. B. Bharatanatyam. C. Kuchipudi. D. Odissi. Answer. C. Kuchipudi. 10. Which Indian mathematician is known for his contributions to number theory, including the partition function? A. Aryabhat. B. Ramanujan. C. Bhaskara II. D. Brahmagupta. Answer. B. Ramanujan. 11. Who composed the famous symphony, Fifth Symphony? A. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. B. Ludwig van Beethoven. C. Johann Sebastian Bach. D. Franz Schubert. Answer. B. Ludwig van Beethoven. 12. What is the square root of 289? A. 14. B. 15. C. 16. D. 17. Answer. D. 17. 13. Which metal is used to make filaments in incandescent light bulbs? A. Copper. B. Iron. C. Tungsten. D. Nickel. Answer. C. Tungsten. 14. The Indus Valley Civilization belongs to which age? A. Stone Age. B. Bronze Age. C. Iron Age. D. Paleolithic Age. Answer. B. Bronze Age. 15. Which year did the Indian Constitution come into effect? A. 1947. B. 1950. C. 1949. D. 1951. Answer. B. 1950. 16. Which is the largest moon in the solar system? A. Europa. B. Titan. C. Ganymede. D. Io. Answer. C. Ganymede. 17. What is the main component of natural pearls? A. Calcium carbonate. B. Sodium chloride. C. Silicon dioxide. D. Magnesium sulfate. Answer. A. Calcium carbonate. 18. Who built the Grand Trunk Road? A. Akbar. B. Sher Shah Suri. C. Jahangir. D. Alauddin Khilji. Answer. B. Sher Shah Suri. 19. What is the term for animals that live in water? A. Amphibians. B. Aquatic. C. Terrestrial. D. Arboreal. Answer B. Aquatic. 20. Which country has the highest number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites? A. China. B. Italy. C. Spain. D. France. Answer B. Italy. 21. What is the nickname of the planet Saturn? A. The red planet. B. The ringed planet. C. The blue planet. D. The ice planet. Answer B. The ringed planet. 22. Which Indian city is famous for the Golden Temple? A. Amritsar. B. Delhi. C. Jaipur. D. Varanasi. Answer A. Amritsar. 23. In which year did India conduct its first nuclear test, Operation Smiling Buddha? A. 1972. B. 1974. C. 1976. D. 1980. Answer B. 1974. 24. What is the term for a biological community interacting with its environment? A. Habitat. B. Ecosystem. C. Biome. D. Niche. Answer B. Ecosystem. 25. Which type of mirror is used in vehicles for rear view purposes? A. Plane. B. Convex. C. Concave. D. Cylindrical. Answer B. Convex. Where was India's first helicopter ambulance service launched?